Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Gemini AI in Vivo X200FE step by step. Power on the phone and confirm battery level, then connect to Wi-Fi and update system software. Install the Gemini AI Companion app from the official app source and grant necessary permissions. Restart the device after installation, then open the app and sign in with your account to begin basic configuration and tutorials. Start by opening the Gemini AI app and selecting preferences from the main menu, then choose language and voice to suit your accent and tone. Allow microphone access so voice prompts work reliably, and enable optional features like contextual suggestions if desired. Adjust privacy controls to limit data sharing, and review the tutorial prompts that guide personalized responses. Test a simple command to confirm the assistant responds promptly and accurately. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you find the video helpful. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes chores easier, and it pairs well with smartphones and assistants. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a bargain, and now let's get back to the video. Learn core features by practicing common tasks. Ask Gemini AI to set alarms, draft messages, or summarize articles. Try camera-based queries for object recognition, and combine voice and touch interactions for faster control. Use contextual follow-ups to refine answers without repeating details, and explore integrations like calendar and email for productivity gains. Regularly update the app to receive feature improvements, and check settings for new capabilities and optimizations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.